Good morning, children. Next exercise concept. Next exercise today. Improper intervals. Improper intervals. One formula. Negative dx by a square plus x square. 1 by a in the terms of x by a plus c. Limit given is not plus c. Limit not given. That's why I have put it plus c also. Now by using this area, take 9.35. B to infinity 1 by a square plus x square dx. Now this is a question. B to infinity 1 by a square plus x square dx. This is what I know. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. This is the limit. Okay? B to infinity. 1 by a is constant. Tan inverse of replace x by upper limit. Infinity by a infinity 1 minus tan inverse of upper limit lower limit is what b no b plus x by b by a. Yeah, infinity by a infinity, but the lower limit is b by a b by 1 by a tan inverse of this infinity can be written as tan 90. Okay, then no tan will cancel. There is no change at all. This is answer. Now cancel now. 1 by a pi by 2 minus tan inverse of b by a. This is the answer. That's all. For 2 mark 3 mark question, only by using the formula, then apply upper limit and lower limit. That's all. Now listen here. Exam 9.36, evaluate 0 to pi by 2, index of 0 to pi by 2, dx by 4 sin squared x plus 5 cos squared x. But what is the British formula? The first term we want only constant, then plus variable. Constant square plus variable square means what is the formula? 1 by constant into tan inverse of variable by constant is the formula. That's why you want to arrange. First let us assume the given question be I 0 to pi by 2 dx by 4 sin square x plus 5 cos square x. Now divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. What is the answer? 0 to pi by 2. Here dx by cos square x. Here 4 sin square x by cos square x plus 5 into cos square x by cos square x. Am I right? Am I right? Divide numerator and denominator cos square x. But 0 to pi by 2, 1 by cos square means secant square x. Here 4 sin square tan square x. Am I right? Plus this is exactly what? Cos square no? Am I right? Now put substitute. Put denominator tan the tan alone put t equal to tan x. Difference is what? dt by dx equal to secant square x cos square dx, but dt equal to secant square dx. But secant square dx together only dt. Here 4 into t square plus 5. But we want to change the limit also. The given limit is actually the very given x x is 0 to pi by 2. Am I right? But t value is when x 0 means tan 0 0. X is pi by 2 means tan pi by 2 infinity. Am I right? Now I becomes 0 to infinity. Because instead of 0 to pi by 2, now t means what? 0 to infinity. In numerator, secant square x dx together dt divided by denominator 4 into t square, because your sin tan is alone t. So tan square x means t square plus 5. Am I right? Now the 4 is that outside 0 to infinity dt by 4 times outside for t square plus pi by 4. This also can be written 0 to infinity dt by t square plus this can be written root of pi by 2 whole square. Constant square plus variable square. Therefore, by using this formula, what is the formula? 1 by 4 is there. What is the formula? The formula is dx by a square plus x square equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a is the formula. Mind it, it's the formula. By using this formula, 1 by a, am I right? Into tan inverse of t variable by root pi by 2. Here, limit, apply the limit. What is the limit? 0 to infinity. Cancel now. 1 by 2 into root pi, upper limit, tan inverse of this can be 2t by, for simplification. Now applying upper limit triangle. 1 by 2 into root pi, tan inverse of 2 into infinity by root pi also infinity, minus tan inverse of t is 0, the whole thing will be 0. Am I right? 1 by root 2 root 5. Already I told you, the infinity can be written as tan inverse of tan 90 degree. Am I right? Minus tan inverse of the 0 can be written as tan 0. Then only tan is cancel. We get the answer 1 by 2 root 5. This is pi by 2 minus 0. Am I right? So pi divided by 4 into root pi. This is the answer. Here by using the formula, this formula. Am I right? By using this formula, variable square plus constant square. This is the formula. Now answer is pi by 4 root pi. That is the answer. So evaluate this type of questions are by using this formula. This formula dx by a square plus x square. This formula. We get the answer. Before, by using this formula, you want to reduce by substitution method. After it is of the form variable square plus constant square. That only we use the formula. This is the formula, right? That's all. Now listen here. By using the previous formula, previous idea, exercise 9.5 only we have two questions. That's all. Small exercise. This is a question. Now let us assume that let I equal to write the question. Here also divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. 0 to pi by 2. Here dx by cos square x. Here 1 by cos square x. Pi cos square x by cos square x. Am I right? This will be cancelled. 0 to pi by 2. Am I right? dx. Denominator cos square is here secant square x. Here also 1 by cos square is what? Secant square x plus pi. But we need denominator only tan equal put t equal tan theta. Put tan x is equal to t. After differentiation numerator will come. That's why this can be as 0 to pi by 2 secant square x. Denominator only you want convert to involve tan. That's very important. Secant square what is the 1 plus tan square x. Okay? Denominator. Now adding both secant square x dx by here tan square x here plus 6. Am I right? Now substitution there. Put t equal to tan x. After difference what is answer? The tt become tt. This tan x become secant square x dx. Am I right? After tt by dx after cross multiplication t equal to secant square x dx. Now change the limit also. What is the limit? X value is 0 to pi by 2. Am I right? Now t value is the same thing. When x0 means tan 0. When x0 pi by 2 means t equal tan pi by 2 is infinity. Now substitute here the y equal to the 0 to pi by 2 become 0 to infinity. Am I right? In numerator secant square dx becomes come together make a dt. Here the tan x is also the t. But tan square means t square plus 6. Am I right? That is described as tt by t square root 6 whole square. Now it is of the form variable square plus constant square or constant square plus variable square. What is the formula? 1 by a. Okay? Tan inverse of t by root 6. Okay? Now what is the limit? 0 to infinity. 1 by root 6. Tan inverse of infinity by something is infinity. Tan inverse of lower limit 0 by something 0. Okay? Once again, the infinity can be written as tan pi by 2 minus tan inverse of 0 can be tan 0. Therefore, 1 by root 6 this will cancel 1 by 6 is 0. That is the answer. That's all. Again, if I use the formula here, what is the formula? dx by a square plus x square equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a formula. This is the formula. Whenever substitution of the given, the x will be 0 by 2, but x will be converted to t variable. But limit also converted to for next to t is very important. The questions are involving x variable. Limit also x variable. That is not integral form. By using the substitution method, the x will convert t variable. No? But limit also converted to t variable. That's why the process variable. Now all are here only t variable. The t involving limit also t variable. Now it is integral form. By using the formula, then apply the upper limit theorem after simplification. We get the answer 5 divided by 2 root 6 is the answer. Okay? 5 divided by 2 into root 6 is the answer. One more question, the same method. Now listen here. 9.5, first sum is 2. Evaluate. 5 plus 4 sine square is there. Previously only cos square is there. That's divided by cos square. Then only 1 by cos square equals secant square. But the sine square is involving. That's why the sine square is converted into 4 into sine square is what? 1 minus cos square x. Okay? 0 to pi by 2. Here multiply 5 plus 4 minus 4 sine square x. Okay? But 9 minus cos square. 0 to pi by 2. Here dx by 9 minus 4 cos square. Now previously, now cos square no. Divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. Okay? 0 to pi by 2 dx by cos square x by here 9 by cos square x minus 4 to cos square x by cos square x. Okay? Cancel. Now denominator is what? Cos square no. That's why secant square x is. Here also 9 into secant square x minus 4. Again the secant square denominator secant square no. That can be 9 into 1 plus tan square x. Okay? The sine square is converted to cos square. After secant square is coming. Again secant square is converted to tan square. Now 0 to pi by no. Secant square x dx divided by 9 times 9 plus 9 tan square x minus 4. Okay? 0 to pi by 2 secant square x dx. Now what do you know? 5 plus 9 tan square x. Now substitute method. For t equal to tan x only. Okay? Tan x only. Differences of this one is t equal to tan x becomes secant square x here. Now we'll change it also. X is what? 0 to pi by 2. T is what? When x 0 means t equal to 0. Pi by 2 means tan pi by 2 infinity. We again I is equal to 0 to infinity. Secant square dx together dt. 5 plus 9 into this is tan x is t no t square. Am I correct? 9 is tan outside. Am I correct? 9 is tan outside. So dt by 9 common. So 5 by 9 plus d square. Am I right? Again 1 by 9 is taken away. This can be done as dt by 5 by 9 no. That means again root 5 by 3 whole square. Am I right? Plus t whole square. Now it is on the part. Previous formula. A square plus x square d equal what? 1 by a tan inverse of x by a formula. Am I right? This is a formula. Apply here 1 by 9 into 1 by root 5 by 3. 1 by a into tan inverse of very good divided by root 5 by 3. The limit is what? 0 to infinity. 1 time limit. Am I right? 1 by 3 root 5. Again, tan inverse of ratio is what? 3d by root 5. Here 0 to infinity. Now apply the value. What is the value? Tan inverse of 3 infinity by 5 into 5. This is infinity only. Tan inverse of 3 into 0 is something 0 only. Again 1 by root 3 5. Here 3 root 5. Tan inverse of infinity is what? Tan 90. Tan inverse of 0 is tan 0. Now tan cancel into 5 by 2 minus 0. Am I right? 5 divided by 2 to 6 root 5. Book answer is root 5 will multiply root 5 root 5. Now root 5 into 5 divided by root 5 into only 5. 5 to 6 30 is the answer. That's all. Only 2 question exercise. Only 2 question. Example 1 question. 2 question. 24 question from this exercise. Exercise only 2 problem. Example 2 problem. All the 4 problems are over. Now this is a special case. Only by using this formula. All the problems are using only this formula. Some of them are directly by using the formula. Sometimes you want to make the reduce them. Even integrating is on the form. This formula, this format. Then we use the formula. That's why small s in the name of substitution method. Then by using the formula we get the answer. Now listen here. Reduction formula. 0 to pi by 2 sin power nx. The formula is in equal to n minus 1 by n, I n minus 1. N always more than 2. Similarly, cos power n is also the same formula. The 1 and 2 together obtain the following result. What is the formula? Is 0 to pi by 2 sin of power, whether it is power 3, power 4, power whatever may be, or cos of, but limit is always 0 to pi by 2, here cos of something will be. What is the formula? If it is even, the power even means very simple. What is the power? N. Suppose 5 means the denominator is 5. Then reduce by 2, 3, 1, etc. 1. Numerator, the power reduced by n minus 1. Again, 2, 2, 2 easy. That's all. If it is even number means the pi by last of 1 by 2 will come, you put pi by 2. If it is odd number means 2 by 3 will come, put plus into 1. That's all. The last number 1 by 2 will probably mean into pi by 2. That is even number. If it is odd number means last 2 by 3 will come into 1. For example, 0 to pi by 2 sin power pi is a question. 2 more question is a question. What I told you? Denominator is 5. Am I right? Reduce by 3, 2, 3. Then reduce by 2. This 1. Am I right? The numerator reduce by 1 actually. Start with the minus 1, 4. Reduce by 2, 2. Am I right? Then minus 2 is what? 0 will come. But this is the answer. Am I right? 4 by 5. Denominator is, the pi is there. First of 5. The reduce by 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 actually. 1 in a right here. Numerator is what? Numerator is what? 4 by, the reduce by 1 first. Start with the n minus 1 now. 5 power is 5 is there. Minus 4. Start with 4. Then 4 minus 2. The 2 minus 2 0. In a right. This is the answer. Now simplify. 8 will be the answer. The same thing here. Suppose 6 is there. What is the answer? Denominator 6 is 4, 2. Am I right? The power 6 to start 6 reduce by 4 to 4. Reduce by 2 2. Again 0 to denominator. Numerator reduce by 1. Now start reduce by 2. 5 minus 2 3. 3 minus 2 1. The 1 by 7 no into 5 by 2 is the answer. Magana. The last number end with 2 by 3 mean into 1. That is odd number. The last 1 by 2 will come in. You will put into 5 by 2. That is the even number. The questions are the power even or odd. You want to guess. But even means last step is 1 by 2. N number is 1 by 2. You will put 5 by 2. If it is odd means last step is always 2 by 3 will come into put 1. That's all. In this way, a small 2 mark question. Okay. These are all 2 mark, 3 mark answer, 1 mark answer. Then say one more formula 0 to 1 x power m 1 minus 1 power m. Am I right? Sometimes 1 minus x power m, x power m. Both are same method. Am I right? Both are same. What is the formula? Power is m, m factorial, m factorial divided by adding both m plus n plus 1 factorial. Small formula. These are 2 mark concepts. Then previously sin and cos separately coming. Now the product of sin and cos will come in the same method only. First power is what? N or m, whatever, no problem. M means the m is reduced by 1, m minus 1. Then m minus 1. Next reduced by 2, m minus 3, m minus extra going on up to 0, equal to 0. Now n is m minus 1, m minus extra going on. Here denominator is what? M plus n plus start with m plus n, then m plus n minus 1. Here also adding together, then reduced by 2, reduced by 3, extra going on. The last number 1 by 2 will come in, put 5 by 2 because it is a even. N and m are even. The same thing, okay, one is odd, one is even. No problem. One is odd. The remaining one, m is positive there. That means the 5 by 2 will not come. The same concept, 5 by 2 will not come. This is the formula. Product of sin power something, cos power something means the same concept, but here denominator of m plus n, the power will be added, then reduced by 2 etc. by 1. Numerator start with m, reduced by m minus 1, minus 1 no. Then as usual, reduced by 2, reduced by etc. by 1. N minus 1 again, reduced by 2, reduced by etc. by 1. This idea. The same concept only. Here, let me separately, they coming together. These are all important 2 mark, 3 mark concept. One is one formula. Write the answer directly, then easy for you. Am I right? By using this idea, I want to remedy exercise problem. Now listen here. By using the previous property, exercise 9.6, first one, evaluate the following. The first one is the I equal to 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, sin power 10x dx. Now directly by using the formula. What I told you? The power is what? 10. Start with 10. Here 2, 8. Am I right? 6. Here 4. Here 2. Am I right? Start with 10. All reduced by 2. 2. Reduced by 2. Reduced by 2. Here 2. After 2, 0 will come. Don't put negative number. Don't put 0. That's enough. Numerator is what? 10 minus 1, 9. Now reduce by 2, 7. 5. 3. 1. If it is 1 by 2 now. If this is the even number, that's why multiply by 5 by 2. This idea. Am I right? 1 times, 2 times. Am I right? 3 table. 1 times, 2 times. No other way. Now multiply. 9 7 6 3 5. What is the denominator? 2 are 4. 4 plus 16. 16 into 32. 32 into 64. 64 and 8. 33, 5 1 2. This is the answer. That's all. Directly write the answer. That's all. Like suppose you want to write the formula, then apply the will you get the answer. But formula is somewhat difficult actually. But this is the easiest idea for you. If last time 2 by 3 will come in, that is odd power, odd number. 10 involving even number, that's why 1 by 2 will come into by 2. If it is even, means into by 2. If it is odd number, last is what? 2 by 3 will come into 1, that's all. Need not put by 2 into 1, that's all. If it is even number means last term last number 1 by 2 will come into pi by 2 on this. If it's odd number means the last number 2 by 3 will come into 1 plus all. Now the same thing, let I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos power 7x. This form is only applicable. Limits are what? 0 to pi by 2. Cos x for something, sin x for something. Cos of it's of x, some other 2x, 3x will be not by this formula. Important. With 0 to pi by 4, not by this formula. 0 to pi by 6, not by using the formula. If it is of the form 0 to pi by 2, sin power something x, cos power something x, then only by this formula. What I told you? Was not the power 7. Here 7. Here 5. Here 3. Here 1 minute. Power is what? Reduce by 6. 4. 2 by 3. Right? No. 2 by 3 in last number. Into 1. Because odd number. Now multiply. Sorry. Cancel. 1 time. 2 times. So 35. Here 8, 16. That's all. This is answer. That's all. Here 0 to pi by 4 involved. Not by this previous problem. And also the r is what? 2x is involved. That's why that I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 sin power 6x into 2x. Put the bracket. Sin of some it will be t. T is what? 2x. Now difference of this is what? dt by dx equal to 2 into 1. Cross multiply dt by 2 into dx. Now you want to use the limit also. Already told you. This limit is for x 0 to pi by 4. X is what? 0 to pi by 4. When x 0 means 2 into 0, 0. When x is pi by 4 means 2 into pi by 4, no? What is the answer? Pi by 2 will come. Now substitute here, I equal to 0 to pi by 4 become 0 to pi by 2. Sin power 6 into 2x become t. Am I right? The dx become t by 2. Now 1 by 2 is constant back outside. 0 to pi by 2 sin power 6t into dt. Now it is also previous again. 0 to pi by 2 sin power t into dt. There is an involved t. That's all. What is one? The 1 by 2 is constant. Am I right? Told you. Denominator 60 no? Here 4. Here 2. That's all. Am I right? Limit is what? 5. Reduce by 1 no? 5. Here 3. Here 1. Into pi by 2. Am I right? 1 time 2. 5 by 5. 5 into 5. Okay, gram is what? 2 is 4. 4 plus 16. 6 into 32. 64. That's all. Appending this problem. First substitution method. Then by the reduction problem. Within the bracket you put the reduction problem. By the reduction problem. By the reduction problem. This is enough. Actually this question is 2 mark or 3 mark. That's why that will answer. If it is even number means into pi by 2 will come. Even number is last number always 1 by 2. If it is odd number means last number always 2 by 3. You want to multiply only 1%. Last even number odd number means last is 2 by 3 will come into 1. If even number means last 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 2. That's all. Next question, 0 to pi by 6 is there, here 3x is there. Let us assume the question is I with the bracket and the inside the bracket not into t. Differentiation of this one is dt by dx equal to 3 into 1. Cross multiply dt by 3 is equal to dx. Now change the limit. X limit is 0 to pi by 6. The t limit is what? When x equal to 3 into 0, t equal to 0. When x equal to 3, pi by 6, 3 into pi by 6. 3 into pi by 6, you know, cancel 2, pi by 2 will come. Am I right? Now I equal to 0 to pi by 6 become, t value is what? 0 to pi by 2. The sin power 5 into 3x become t. The dx become t by 3. Right? The 1 by 3 is constant. 0 to pi by 2. Sin power 5 into t dt. Previous idea. 1 by 3. What is the denominator? The power 5 is 5. Here 3. That's all. Alright? Here limit is what? Reduce by 1 now 4. The 2. Or 2 by 3 into 1. That's all. Now cancel is not possible. 8 by 9 is 3 is 9. 9 by 45 is the answer. Alright? 8 by 45 is the answer. Fourth question also the same as the previous one. 0 to pi by 2. The question is sin square into cos of 4x. Let I equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin square x into cos of 4x. What I told you? That product of sin cos involving your pi by 2 both are even. Because the last step is pi by 2. Remember is what? 2 plus 4, 5. Sorry, 2 plus 4, 6. Yes, 6. Then 6 into, put the price, 6 into, reduce by 2, 4 into 2. Am I right? We get 5 by 2. Numerator, reduce by 1. 2 minus 1, that's all. Next here, next one minus 2, no. But minus 1 minus 2 comes, this is not separate. Only one number. Here 4 is a no. Reduce by 1. That is what? 3. So 3. Reduce by 2. That is 1. That's all. Now cancel. Now multiply 5 divided by 2 is 8. 6 is 10. That is answer. Am I right? Product of sin and cos together will come in. Both are even with pi by 2. Definitely will come. So one is odd, one is even, one is pi by 2 will not come. Denominator is quarter to the first number. The reduced by 2 reduced by extra by 1. If you numerator, the whole power whatever may be reduced by 1, then you will subtract 2 extra by 1. Am I right? So 2 minus 1 start with 1, then minus 2 minus 1. The 0 negative will come means need not subtract. 1 only will come. The 4 you know reduced by 1. That is 3. Start with 3. 3 minus 2 1. The 1 minus 2 minus 1 will come, need not subtract. Only 1. That's all. So fifth question also product of 2 terms are there. That's all. The sixth one, second the same problem. Three is only. The question is 0 to 2 pi. The question is sin power 7 into x by 4 is the question. Let I equal to 0 to 2 pi sin power 7 x by 4 is. The question is here only x by 4. You only put the bracket. Then it will be t equal to inside the bracket. Now differentiation of this one is dt by dx equal to 1 by 4. 4 is constant. Differentiation is 1. Cross multiply 4 dt equal to dx. Now change the limit. The x limit is 0 to 2 pi. We want t limit. When x 0 means 0 by 4, t equal to 0. When x is 2 pi means 2 pi by 4, that's pi by 2. Now substitute here, I equal to 0 to pi by 2, sin power 7 into this t. The dx becomes 4 dt. 4 is constant, 0 to pi by 2, sin power 7 dt into dt. Finish area. What is the formula? What I do? Here 7. Am I right? Listen here. Sin and cos together will come in. Add both. Put the number. But you only one number, no? 7. Here 5. Here 3. That's all. Because this is odd number. 5 will not come. Numerator reduce by 1. That is 6. Now reduce by 4 to 4. 2. 2. That's all. Am I right? Now here 31. Here 24. 80. 24 and 8 is what? 22, 3, 192. 192 by 105 is the answer. Okay? Actually here, cancel is possible. 1 line, number is very. Only 35. Okay? 8, 64. That is the answer. 64 by 30 is the answer. 0 to pi by 2 means power sin x or cos x is only sin x or only cos x is only by the property directly. If it is 0 to 2 pi, 0 to pi by 6 is something involving the angle will be always x. Here x by 4 to x 3 by x involving put d equal to inside the bracket afterwards, automatically limit is 0 to 0 to pi by 2 and sine of something, cos of something will come. Then we use the reduction formula. For using the reduction formula means we need 0 to pi by 2. Sine power something or cos power something or together will come. That is important here. Now, seventh question, 0 to pi by 2, sin for something, cos for something. This also by using reduction formula. Sin for something, cos for something. Here, not even power, not even. That's why the pi by 2 will not come mind. That in the answer. What about you? Denominator 3 plus 5, 8. 8 into 6 into 4. Am I right? Very simple. Payment over. The power will be added to the 8. Then the 8 is reduced by 2, then 6 is reduced by 2, then it reduced by 2. Next number 0. That's why we denoted 0. If denominator power 3 now, reduced by 1. This 2. That's all. Over. Here power is 5 is there. Reduced by 1. 4. 4 will come, 4 2 will come. Am I right? Cancel, cancel, cancel. Okay, 1 time. Get 3 days. 1 by 24 is the answer. That's all. That's all. By using the formula. That's all. Here one more formula. 0 to 1 x power m into 1 minus x power n whole power n dx is equal to what is the formula? M factorial in n factorial divided by m plus n plus 1 factorial is a formula. This is a formula. Am I right? Now write the question. X square 1 minus x whole cube dx equal to m is 2 factorial into n is 3 factorial divided by 2 plus 3 plus 1 factorial. So 2 factorial into otherwise one second context is 5 factorial. Am I right? 2 by 1 and 2. Am I right? 3 by 1 and 2 into. Am I right? 5 by 1 and 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. This is a formula. Am I right? Then cancel. Cancel. 1 to 2. 2 times. 1 by 10 is the answer. That's all. Am I right? Very simple concept. Only using the formula, we get the answer. You must find out here 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Am I right? 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. up to 6. Am I right? The 6 is the answer. Am I right? Adding together we get 6 factorial. 6 factorial 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. After the cancellation we get only 1 by 60. That is the answer. Now 9.86 are all the words over. Am I right? The 2 more 3 more concept. Just you must know the small result, small concept, we get the answer. An example problem, some of the example problem. Let I equal to write the question. Sin square x is the cos for 4x is. If it int, sin square int cos 4 is that is the formula. But your plus is no. Right separately. Sin square x dx plus 0 to pi by 2 cos 4 dx. Am I right? Now by using the formula, what is the formula? Power is 2. That is diameter 2. Numerator is what? Reduced by 1. 1 by 2. It all numbers reduced by 2, but it's not possible. This even number 5 by 2 is coming. Plus, here also 4, here 3. Again, reduced by 2, 1. Reduced by 2, 2. Into pi by 2. Am I right? Now pi by 2 is common. That was right. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 8. Now 8 is inside. You 4 plus 2. Am I right? 7 pi by 16 is the answer. That's all. 7 pi by 16 is the answer. One more question, the same method. Let I equal to write the question 0 to pi by 2. Determine cos for 4x, cos for 4x 7, sin for 5x 3. Now this is determined now. Expand is what? 0 to pi by 2. Cross multiply 3 into cos 4x minus 7 into sin 5x dx. Just expand this one. Now write generally 3 into 0 to pi by 2 cos 4x dx minus 7 is constant. Again 0 to pi by 2 sin 5 dx. Okay? Now use the differential formula. What is the formula? Denominator 4, here 2. Am I right? Here reduce the 3, here 1 into pi by 2. Am I right? Now cancel is not possible. Minus 7 into here 5, here 3, here 1 denominator, here 4, 2 into 1. Pi by 2 will not come. Now multiply 9 pi by 16. Here 56 by 50. Am I right? Am I right? That's all. Because pi is there, you know pi. Therefore, simply is not possible. That is the answer. That's all. Expand. By using the idea, expand. Then put the formula separately. Rest formula separately. Take an answer. Here also, some of the two terms are there. Write separately. Then by using the reduction formula, then simplify the answer. Because here pi by 2, here pi by 2. Then outside this calm, then outside then simplify. But here no pi involved. Pi not involved. That's why simplify is not possible. This is the answer. Listen here. 9.40. Here what is the question? Let us assume the question be I equal something. Now x square, here also x square is. Direct integration is not possible. In the name of substitution method, put x equal to 2a cos square theta. Then only the root will be removed. That's why I am substituting. Now differentiation is what? dx by d theta equal to 2a constant. Differentiation of this one is 2 into cos theta into minus sin theta. Right? Now cross multiply dx equal to minus 4a sin theta into cos theta d theta. Now you want initial limit also. The theta limit is 0 to 2a. Am I right? So x limit is 0 to 2a. You got theta limit. Am I right? When x0 means 2a cos square becomes 0. For cos theta also 0. 0 can as cos pi by 2. Next, when x equal to 2a means 2 cos square equal to 2a cancel 1 cos equal 1 contains cos 0. Am I right? So 0 to a become here pi by 2 0. Now substitute here 0 to 2a become here pi by 2 0. Now x is what? This one. The square of this one is what? 4a square into cos 4 theta. Inside square root 2a into x. X is what? 2a cos square. Multiply both 4a square cos square theta. Already x is there. X is 2a cos square theta. Our square is what? 4a square into cos 4 theta into the dx can as minus 4a into sin a sin theta into cos theta into d theta. Okay? Now already what you manage there. You want to use a limit. Pi by 2 0 becomes 0 to pi by 2 means automatically minus will become positive. Now multiply 4 4s are 16. Am I right? A square a cube. Am I right? Then cos 4 into cos 4 5 theta into sin theta already is there. Now inside square root, what is common below? 4a cos square is common. 1 minus cos square will come into d theta. Now this is actually what? Sin square. Okay? Our remove the root actually, you get answer 16 into root of 16a square cancel no? 16 into root 0 to pi by 2 cos power pi theta cos theta power pi into sin theta. Remove square root, what is that? 4a into cos theta. Here 1 minus cos square sin square root means only sin theta. One second multiply 64 a over 4 0 to pi by 2 cos 4 5 into cos 4 6 theta, sin into sin square theta. Now these are the reduction formula. What is reduction formula? Already told you. Denominator is what? 6 plus 2 8 6 4 2 even number plus 5 into. Now reduce by 1 no 5 into 3 into 1. Reduce by 1 only 1. Now simplify, that is the answer. Here multiply, the 2's are 4. Am I correct? Therefore 4 2's are 8 is 64, 60 cancel. Am I correct? Next 1 times 2 times. After cancellation, if pi is there, then pi is the a square. Then it is what? 2's are 4. Am I correct? 5. What is the answer? Your answer is only cos power what is the answer? Cos power 4 into sin square. Well, here, what side I want to explain everything? The question will be x square root of 2ax and x square sir. We don't want to square root. Here x is also one very part of 2 into 1. To avoid a square root, we execute 2a cos square theta. Then only x is 2a cos square theta means 2a into 2a. 4a square into cos square. X square means 4a square into cos 4a square cos square times 7 1 minus cos square will come, that is sin square. 4a square cos square sin square automatically root will be cancelled. In this way you substitute. Immediately differentiate with respect to theta. 2a into the cos square becomes 2 cos into minus sin. Multiply minus 4a sin theta into cos theta cross product theta. Now limit of the one change. X will be 0 to 2a. When x is equal to 0 means substitute here 2a cos square theta equal to x is 0. For cos theta equal to 0, the 0 cancels cos pi by 2. Cos cancel theta by 2. When x equal to 2a means the 2a cancel. For cos theta equal to 1 cancels cos 0. Cos cancel theta equal to 0. Our limit 0 to 2a become pi by 2 0. Now substitute here. The 0 to 2a becomes pi by 2 0. X square. X already. Our assumption 2a cos square. 4a square cos 4. Within the square root, 2a into x is what? 2a cos square theta. Multiply 2 is 4. A into a square. X is cos square. Minus x square. The whole square. 2a cos square whole square means 4a square cos square 4. Into dx. Dx is what? 4a sin theta cos square d theta. Now multiply. First 4 for 16. A square to a cube. Cos into cos power 5. Then sin theta. Within the square 4a square cos square taken outside. Remaining terms of 1 minus cos square. And also pi by 2 0 become 0 to pi by 2. You want inverse limit. The minus will plus. Near to minus. Now what's the name? The 16 a square is constant no? 16a is constant. Remember what is what? Cos theta, cos 4 pi theta into sin theta. Remove square root. Here 4a then 2a. 4a square plus 2a square cos square plus cos into root of 1 minus cos square sin square no? Root of sin square is sin theta. Am I correct? Once again you want to multiply. Here 2 into 16 32 a power 4 0 to pi by 2 multiply cos power 6 theta into sin square theta into d theta. Am I right? Now by using the basic formula. Directly not by using the basic formula, but now we are using the basic formula. 32 pi x square is constant. So what I got here? Power will be 2 plus 6 plus 2, 8. The first one is what? First one is what? First one is actually 6 plus 8, then 6, then 4, 2, both are even 5 into 2. Power is 6 minus 1, 5 into 3 into 1, 2 minus 1, that's all. Okay? Now, 8 into 4, that will cancel. Okay? 1 time, 2 times. Next is what? 5 a 4 by 8 is the answer. Okay? 5 by 8 into a power 4 is the answer. (9.41) 0 to 1 x power 5 into 1 minus x square whole power 5. Suppose you without square x power 5 into 1 minus x power 5 dx means that is the property. What is the property? X power n 1 minus x whole power n 0 to pi by 2. What is the property? M factorial by m plus n plus 1 factorial is the formula. But in inside bracket square is there. Therefore directly not by using the property. Now substitution method. The inside the bracket 1 minus x square is there. But I want to put x is equal to sin theta. Differentiation of this one is dx by dt cos theta. Cross multiply cos theta into d theta. Okay? Now you want to change limit also. What is the name? X limit is 0 to 1. Am I right? When x 0 means 0 equal to sin theta. This 0 can sin 0 equal to sin theta. Theta 0 sin cancel, theta equal to 0. Am I right? When x equal to 1 means 1 equal to sin theta. The 1 can written as sin pi by 2 equal to sin theta. Sin can cancel, theta equal to pi by 2. Am I right? In this way, you will find the relation. Now substitute here, 0 to 1 become 0 to pi by 2. X is what? Sin theta. Sin power pi theta. 1 minus here what? Sin square theta whole power 5. Outside the bracket ds is there. ds is what? Cos theta d theta. Am I right? Now once again 0 to pi by 2 sin power pi theta. Here 1 minus cos sin plus what? Cos square theta whole power 5 into cos theta. Am I right? Once again 0 to pi by 2 sin power 5x theta cos square whole power 5 cos power 10 already cos lesson. So cos power 11 theta d theta. Now in this other form, please area. Sin of something, cos of something, 0 to pi by 2. Because one question exercise problem without square is given. This problem square is there. So both are different idea. Now what is the property? Denominator is what? Power is what here? 5, here 11 or 16. Start with 16. 16 into 14 into 12 into 10 into 8 into 6 into 4 into 2. Okay? Denominator is what? 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Here, odd number is there. Don't put pi into. Now next the 5 now. 3 7 is what? 4. So start with 4 into 2. That's all. The first formula. Next is what? 11 is there. 11 minus 1, 10. Now start with 10. 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Cancel. Okay? Again, 4 to 8, 2 times. Am I right? But name only 1. Denominator is what? 2 into 14 into 12. Am I right? Now 28 into 12. Now 28 multiply 16. 56. Here 280. What is the answer? 336. 1 by this is the answer. This is the answer. Anyway, directly not by the reason formula. Suppose inside bracket becomes the only x involved in directly by the reason formula. That's very important. Mind it, this type of question may become because confusion will come. One question without square, directly by the reason formula. But if square is there, only substitution method afterward some other reason formula. That's all. This example all